Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning classes. Now all of you open your EVS textbook chapter making pots, and in the last offline class we have already started this chapter and already learned the story. And next question answer, question page number 100. Why did the crow need a pot? Why did the crow need a pot? Crow needed the pot so that he can fill it with water and then use that water to wash his beak. Crow needed the pot so that he can fill it with water and then use that water to wash his beak. All of you see the board. Next, number 2. Who all helped the crow to make the pot? Number 2. The blacksmith, the trowel, clay pit, and the potter helped the crow to make the pot. Number 3. What things did the potter need? Potter needed clay. Number 4. Are there utensils made of clay in your house? Which are these? Yes, a flower vase and a Buddha idol is made of clay at my house. Number 5. If someone gives you clay, will you be able to make some utensils from it? No, I don't think that I will be able to make some utensils from the clay. Okay. So next, a bowl from a ball of clay. See, all of you open your book and see this picture. A bowl from a ball of clay. Knead clay at a make a big ball. And using your thumb, using your thumb, make a small pit in the center by pressing so that it looks like a bowl, and leave it to dry and then decorate it. You can put things you like in this bowl. Okay, this picture. So first make a big ball of clay using your thumb to make a small pit in the center by pressing so that it looks like a bowl. Okay. Next, a bowl from a roti, of clay. Knead some clay with water and keep aside some clay mixed with water, and this will serve as glue to bind two different pieces of kneaded clay. And take a part of the kneaded clay and roll it like a thick chapati. This picture. Okay, this type of picture. And this will be the base of the bowl. And roll the rest of the kneaded clay like a snake and fix the clay snake on the base to make a pot as shown in the picture. Okay. If you you made these clay pots in your home also, and a pot from the chapati of clay. Next, look at the picture and make a pot here in the top down picture. What will be happen if you store water in these pots overnight? First I erase the board. What will happen if we store water in this pot overnight? So I write down only answer. Okay. So if we store water in clay pots, if we store water in clay pots, overnight the pot will be break. Overnight the pot will be break. Okay. Next, number 2. We often keep water in a clay pot at home or in the school. Why do these pots not get spoiled by water? This is because these pots are baked. These pots are baked in a clean, which makes the pot stronger. It's stronger. Okay. Next, number 3. Have you ever seen bricks or pots being baked in clean? No. Number 3. No, I have not seen bricks or pots, BRICKS, or bricks or pots being baked in a clean, KILN. Okay. So next, long ago, when people do not have any pots, what did those people do? They used, number 4, they used to store things in banana, banana, and pumpkin, PUMPKIN, pumpkin leaves, and also in pumpkin, 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 and watermelon cells, SHELLS, cells. Okay. Next, why should people have made pots? To store liquid, LIQUIDS, liquids. People would would have made pots. Okay. Next, imagine one day all the pots disappear from the world. What will happen in your house? We might face trouble in storing food and liquids. Okay. Next, number 6. So what happened? We might face trouble in storing food, storing food and liquid. Okay, and liquids. So today complete up to this topic. And do you know, many years ago there was a time when people had no pots. They started feeling the need to store and cook food. After a lot of effort and thinking, people learned to make pots, and people made pots of stones by digging and scraping stones with their hands. And they made pots of clay by kneading the clay and shaping them with their hands. People also discovered that clay pots could be made stronger by baking them in fire. Okay, so next class we will do our workbook.